Okay, so these guys are continuing with the tow rail reconstruction from the injury that Nika had received in a passing typhoon. And we're making lots of progress. As you can see, that's the original portion right there, starting from the stem head fitting. And then you can see where the new reconstructed part is. And it's looking so much more beautiful with each panel of wood they screw on, and then fiberglass. And now they're doing that. First we put a 1x3 vertically. Now we're on top of that putting a 1x2 that's been routed to add curvature to the wood piece and follow the original lines. And then we'll add another 1x2 on top of the joint between the tow rail and the fiberglass. Just like you see right there, but we'll put it right there. But just the continuation of the lines is so important. It's basically a lesson in boat construction that symmetry and long continuing lines are what make a boat look complete, sturdy, well-built, well-designed boats. So there you have it. That's where that top piece joins together from the old part. And then just a little further, the vertical section of the 1x3 section. Beautiful, good job guys. It's looking very good right now. So much better. So much better. It's coming together. Good job, Jose. Good job, Mike. You guys are a good team. Here's the unfinished portion, which looks so raw and bad. You see, when it's not done to completion, it just looks bad. But when it's done fully, it looks beautiful. The difference between beauty and ugly is such a fine line. They put tape around the port lights, protect those from sanding, scratches, and they're just moving along, making great progress. The decks are epoxied in, just waiting for primer and paint, but we gotta do things step at a time. Such as finish that tow rail, glass it in, and then I'm gonna glass in all of the tow rails. Make it totally glassed in. I'm not digging this wood dealy. That thing it's vulnerable. There's no need for that. These need to be as strong as physically possible, and that's fiberglass. If I had carbon, I'd use carbon, but probably too expensive and not available.